Tina's just got back from walking the dogs, and now we're going to do a little repair job on the fence. We think next door has reversed into the fence with his ride-on lawnmower, which has lifted the bottom of the grillage off the floor, so hence chief escape artist Kira will be able to get out. I mean, she can jump over the gate down the front if she wants to get out, but so yes, there's another technical bodge where we've got an old fork head. We've put one in the ground, put the tines either side of the grillage, and that holds it down in the ground. Tina's just looking for an old pitchfork head we've got in the garage, so we're going to get that, and we're going to, well, Tina's going to do it, I'm not. I'm going to view from the safety of the patio. So we're going to have a look for this head, and I shall see you over there. As you can see on the no dig bed, no weeds yet, but that's breaking down really nice now. What we'll probably do is start some stuff off in the greenhouse, and when that's ready to go out, we'll transplant it straight into this no dig bed and see what sort of results we get. That's the thermometer in the greenhouse. It's got to a height of 31.9 and it has dropped to a low of -2.7. It's currently at 19.1. Oh, 18.9. I suppose that's because we've just opened the doors. So it does drop a little bit overnight, but everything still seems to be doing quite well. And we're back to the spring onions. Look at these. They're doing really well. Don't seem to be getting affected by the frost at all. If they keep up with that, Tina's going to have to get some crispy duck, hoisin sauce, bit of cucumber, and we'll have crispy duck pancakes. Very nice. Here's the strawberry plants that we put in pots the other day. They're all doing nicely. Bit of nice new green growth on there. We'll be set for strawberries this year. Ludo. Ludo. So that's a roundup of today's activities. Not much is going on. It's still quite cold out here. Tina went out in the car this morning at about 10:30 and it was still saying it was 0 degrees. I think it was going to get to a high of 3 degrees. This is all in Celsius, not Fahrenheit, being as we're living in a metric country, and Celsius makes sense. But yeah, it's a forecast for -3 tonight, which that's quite cold. Luckily all the chilli plants are indoors in the propagator under the light, so that's all good. Dogs are out here. We've had a rogue cat come in the garden. Well, it hasn't come in the garden yet, we don't think, but it's one that isn't really afraid of the dogs, and it really ought to be, because Kira is a bit of a nightmare when it comes to cats or anything that moves, to be fair. She has got hold of cats before, and some of them haven't fared so well. She did chase one into the well, and that took Tina nearly an hour to get it out. But I think it appreciated a bit of a cuddle and a rub down in a towel when we did get it out. So numpty number one's just come out now. Do you want to come and have a look at the camera, Ludo? Come say hello. Come here. Say hello to the camera. Say hello. He's not got his eye bone on today. Have you, mate? Who's that? Go on then, jump down. Come on, Ludo, jump down. Jump down. Come on. Yes, numpty number 1. Cheaper than numpties. I won't tell you what we call him, but I'd probably get a red flag on YouTube. But yeah, hope you like this video. Please click the thumbs up, that all helps the channel. Comment below, ask any questions you like, doesn't matter what it's regarding, I'll try my best to answer them. Subscribe if you haven't already, and it's bye for now.